Alright, we'll see if we can get this second part done there. Sorry about that. So, this bottom number is our radical number. So we have our x. It doesn't have an exponent, so that's really x to the first, times the fifth root of x cubed. This one, our root would be the fourth, so we have the fourth root of x squared y cubed. Then this last one, let's see, well, I recognize 9 to the 1/2. So what if we distributed that first? And I just am going to distribute it because I recognize what 9 to the 1/2 is. Well, that's 3. This would be x squared. And then our radical would be the square root of y. So if we take a look at a couple now that we're asked to simplify, let's see, this one would be the square root of 36. Well, that's 6. Let's raise each of these to the 4/3. Well, this top one is just 1. But we could say that, well, this is the cubed root of 27 to the 4th. Well, 27 to the 4th is a large number, but the cubed root of 27, what does that equal? Well, if we cube each side, so what number cubed gives you 27? Well, that's 3, so 1 over 3 to the 4th, which we know is 1 over 81. And 6 to the negative 2, 1 over 6 squared, so we have 1 over 36. And a couple more here to simplify. Well, we know anything to the 0 power is 1, so 5 times 1 is 5. Let's see, if we distribute those parentheses, let's see, we got 2 to the 3rd, x to the 6th. Okay, so now we have, let's get rid of those negatives, so 6, 2 to the 3rd is 8, x to the 6th, x to the 3rd. So we could reduce this down, so we have 3/4 x to the 9th. Let's see, this would be 27x to the 6th to the 1/3. So we have 27 to the 1/3, x to the 6/3. Well, we know that this is the same as cubed root of 27, so that's 3x squared. And let's distribute this. We got 9 to the negative 1/2, x to the negative 2 over 2, 16 to the negative 1/2, y to the negative 4/2. If we make those exponents positive, so they'll flip sides, so x to the first, 16 to the positive 1/2, y squared. So we have 4y squared over 3x. And now we're going to just take a look at 2 from your assignment here. So let's take a look at number 3. If we distribute this, we got 8 to the 2/3, 27 to the 2/3. So that's the third root of 8 squared over the third root of 27 squared. So you could look at the third root of 8 squared a couple ways. You could look at it as the cubed root of 64, which we know it is 4. Or you could do the cubed root of 8 and square it. And we know the cubed root of 8, well, that's 2 squared, which is 4. So either way, this is 4. The cubed root of 27 is 3 squared, so we have 4/9. And then number 8, we got 64 to the negative 2/3, 125 to the negative 2/3. Let's make those positive. And then we have those cubed roots. So the cubed root of 125 squared, the cubed root of 64 squared. Well, I know the cubed root of 125 is 5, so 5 squared. Cubed root of 64 is 4 squared. So we have 25 over 16.